Hey guys, I am so sorry I haven't been recording. I said I was gonna do a vlog. It looks like we forgot. And I'm sorry I haven't been recording all day, so we're gonna play our world again today. A lot of you guys said build a blacksmith. So I was like I'm gonna blacksmith. It was a tie between a blacksmith and farm, but one person put blacksmith, so it's blacksmith. I don't even have the materials. So guys, this is not cheating. I'm going in creative. I think I'm gonna have to like stay in creative to build these things. Like every episode, so. Is it pig? No mistake. I'm mistaken. No mob proof. Gonna set doors all around my house. For the fences. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just wasting wood. Okay. So blacksmith. I'm not building like a villager blacksmith. I'm building my blacksmith that I will want. So this nice, cool little blacksmith. Okay, this might be a two-part video since I don't have that much time. Hang on one sec. Sorry guys, I had to really do something. So what I'm thinking is, I think that we can like add a little aquarium now. Of course we're gonna need a furnace. Gonna need a furnace. And okay. So we're gonna build it right here. Okay. Yeah, guys, this might be a two-part video. This may take a little bit. I don't want to spend too much time on this. All I'm gonna do is just get it done. Get her done. This is such good meat. Door. Get her done. Get her done, son. Okay, so this is gonna be kinda long. So don't bother the point at all. Because I know I don't record long videos. I just don't want to spend too much time because, like, Screen-O-Matic, your maximum time that you can only record is 15 minutes. So I don't want to spend 15 minutes on this build. And I'm gonna have like a little porch here. Say, just make it, yeah. Like that. I'm gonna have a counter and stuff. Then, just gonna finish it off like this. We're gonna decorate it. Now, like, my goal here is to make, in this series, is to make like 20 videos. Like as many videos as I can. Just don't want to make 5 videos if the series will just be done. No, this might be a 2-part video. This is perfect. Okay, we're gonna need this. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to this video. And I see you guys next time. Goodbye. Another way, there will be no merch on my channel. So goodbye.